Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at lightning lists. Just before we start, this is an honest video, an honest review, not a sales video or a hype video. There will be a link to the sales page that we're looking at in this video down in the description. If you purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. If you decide that you want to buy the product, I would love if you'd buy it through my link and kind of support and encourage me in what I do for you guys in providing honest reviews. But again, I'm not going to necessarily say this is a product for everybody. That said, that's all of the that's the caveats, I suppose. Let's jump in. This is Lightning List. This is a new product from Dawood Islam. This is a training method, or rather, this is a training product. This is going to teach you 10 ways to build an email list. And of course, the goal is that you're going to get thousands of subscribers every month. Should work in any niche, full video training, and so much more. This is the product in a nutshell. Unfortunately, there's not, it's training, so you can only really expect to get so much. It is going to focus here on the importance of an email list. This is absolutely true. I strongly recommend, if you're going to market, work on an email list. Doesn't matter if you've got an online store, email list or a push notification list is going to help you to get in contact with your customers, remind them that you're there, let them know about any sales or special events you've got going on, any promotional events. If you have a blog, it's going to remind people, hey, come and check out my blog, come read my content. If you have a YouTube page, a lot of YouTubers don't do this, and YouTube is full of fads, but if you have any kind of video site, build an email list. It will let you continue to communicate with your people, especially if you're putting out news or opinion pieces and you're worried that you're going to get deplatformed. Having an email list is going to very much help you to avoid losing your audience. If you get kicked off of YouTube for a week, then you can let your audience know, at least the ones on your list know, that you're putting up videos on BitChute or somewhere else. Okay, so regardless of what sector of the online economy you work in or are trying to work in, building an email list is going to be very important for you. This video is entitled Take a Sneak Peek Inside Lightning List. It's not going to actually show you any of the training modules, and again, I'll let you guys watch this on your own, but it will give you at least a snapshot of the dashboard to the product. Okay. Now, normally I tell you that shots like this are irrelevant. Why I like this shot and this shot is that they're actually full shots. They're not just showing you totals that can come from anywhere, right? So we see snapshots all the time that would show just these just these green numbers up here, or even like the last 7 days and how much. But again, it doesn't mean anything to us. Right? It's just, they could come from anywhere. In this case, we actually have a fairly full screenshot. He's scrolled down so that the account is actually on this one he didn't. So this one actually has Dawood Islam. The one up here does not. But there are some interesting things that I do notice about this. One is that the bulk of income listed, and this could be relevant for you, but it is vendor related. So both of them are going from the 11th to the 17th. In this one, we've got a total revenue of $24,319.17. Affiliate sales. Now, frankly, this probably just means that at least for this time period, he was focused more on vendor stats, on selling his own products. So this may have come out right after a product launch of his. Okay, just to be aware of. The other thing is that, if you're a newer affiliate, Um, there's at least one day here where if you're an affiliate, you've probably had days like this where, you know, a small number of hops and no sales. But there's hope, right? So I'm actually, Dawood, if you ever watch this, I am proud of you for actually showing a full snapshot as opposed to just showing a daily total that doesn't mean anything to anybody. Okay, so if you guys are watching this, those snapshots are actually showing real-time sales data. So, lightning list, 10 great methods to build your list really fast. Easy to follow videos, additional training and resources. You don't need tech skills. It's newbie friendly. Each method's been tested. Building an email list isn't new. Successful marketers have been building email lists since pretty much the beginning of successful online marketing. And you're going to get a bunch of bonuses here as well. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this, but List Lariat is training. TweetX is marketing using Twitter. Mave is helping you get more traffic. AdMax is presumably going to provide ad building training. And Aerial Assassin, I think I actually did a review on Aerial Assassin a long time ago. So a bunch of stuff you're going to get for free, 30-day money-back guarantee, and all of it for 13 bucks. Now, there will be some one-time offers available to you. I'm not going to go through all the one-time offers in this video. It's going to be the typical kind of stuff. Like you're going to get some additional training opportunities. I think one of them is access to beta testing a new product or something like that. There's going to be a few opportunities available to you as well through this, but I'm not dealing with the one-time offers in this because this is legitimately a front-end complete training product. Okay, so you're not getting half of the product here and then you have to unlock the rest or something like that. You're going to get all the training that's mentioned here in the front-end video, or in the front-end product. So I am going to recommend this, especially if you're new. If you're already experienced, if you're already doing huge amounts of money per day, you've already got a very successful email list, probably you won't need this. If you are new, I've been saying this a lot recently, there's a lot of big software app things that make huge promises, and what I continually tell you guys is to avoid those products because they're full of lots of hype. They're products that help the people who've created them a lot more than they're going to help you. You want to learn how to find good products. You want to learn how to market those products effectively and how to, try to find new tools to invest in as you build your income stream. So this is the sort of product that is exactly what I've been talking about. Learning methods to build a list. It's not selling you the software to do anything. It's not selling you free traffic or yada yada yada. What you're getting is training so you can learn how to do these things properly. Okay, and there's all kinds of stuff. I'm sure you're going to learn about some ad responders and things of that nature, but the how to do it is going to be more important than what particular software or whatever you use to do it. So check out Lightning List. This product is available now. I hope that has been somewhat helpful to you guys anyway. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.